4th of July. There's Dad. He's... I'll back it up here. Here's Dad on the grill. He's cooking some lunch here for us. We're having hamburgers. We just had a they just had a big flea market up and down the road, so Mom and I bought a few little things.
I like mine well done. Well done? I got a couple of them burnt here, but I don't know if they're well done or not.
Another fisherman. Here's Dad's boat right here. Dad, go over toward your boat. Real quick. Tell us all about it, Dad. Tell us about that.
Well, this motor is a 1952 model, and it works like a brand new one.
One pull, that's all you need.
One pull, and it starts like a new one, better than a new one. It's better than a new one.
That's the boat we went on yesterday, and we ran out of battery, so that's why we had to quit. But that's the boat. Mike's spending very little time here because he found a lot of friends. That's the trailer there. And that's their shed. Cute little shed there. With flowers growing alongside.
Are you going to eat inside or outside?
I think we're going to eat outside.
Yeah, we're almost done.
Almost done?
I think.
Okay. There's the barn that they painted several years ago. They painted those doors blue and they're still blue. Thank God they didn't paint the whole barn that color. Picking up some people are bustling, starting to bustle around here. In a few minutes we'll take a picture of the parade. And it's over. Here's Darlene. There we go. Darlene's the master chef. This morning she was the masturbator.
Hi, Bill. How you doing? What are you doing?
Hey, Bill.
I don't.
You don't?
All right.
Well, hell with you then.
How come your cart's not decorated?
How come your cart not like that? Over there, going there.
There goes one.
Like Frank's cart.
Because I'm not stupid yet.
There's Claire and Betty. They're still selling their used goods there.
Anything on the table, 50 cents
Whoa,
off.
what a bargain. What a bargain.
50% off.
Yeah.
Right.
Wow.
Well, it looks like you got rid of a lot of stuff.
You did.
For what, huh? Yeah.
I tell you,
Buy a plate. There's water running off the lid. It's covered.
the only thing bad.
There's all